I was eating my grapes and watching Girl Meets World. And Freyja jumps on the table and starts looking at my grapes. Eyeing my grapes. And now she's looking at me in the camera. I really don't think she's hungry. I just think that whenever I eat, she just wants what I have. She was sleeping, but she heard me eating, so she woke up. Oh, Freyja. Want to try? I'm sure she doesn't like it. No, this is it. You can go back to sleep. I like shows like Victorious and Girl Meets World and just like Disney stuff. I think they're like so cute and fun. So I watch a lot of shows for kids. I'm at an Italian shooting range where, yeah, you're gonna hear that. So they're shooting these discs that they throw in the air, as if I know anything about it. I actually came here for a barbecue. Like, people can shoot from here, but there's another place there, and there are some more behind me. Those discs are so hard to see. Decaf. This is to choose the amount of sugar. Espresso, a long coffee, cafe macchiato, cappuccino. I don't know what that is, but it says milk and coffee. Latte macchiato, which is more milk and a bit of coffee. Orzo coffee, it's not real coffee. I don't know what orzo is in English. I'm not even sure what it is in Italian. A long coffee d'orzo of orzo, like it's like coffee made of oats. That's what I understand. Chocolate, milk, and coffee. Milk, and chocolate. Hey, this is what I want anyway, so I'm gonna get this. You can't go wrong with this. With these coffee machines, the coffee is hit or miss. But with chocolate and milk, it's going to be a hot chocolate, and it's always good. So you can also get lemon tea and cappuccino d'orzo or mocha d'orzo. I don't know what that is. It's ready. I'm going to take the hot chocolate out. So this is what I'm drinking while my husband is working, and I'm waiting for him to finish so that we can decide what to do, if we want to have the barbecue or not. And anyways, it's very foamy, and they make really good hot chocolates here. Can't really see what I'm wearing, but I'm actually wearing a leather skirt, but my shirt is long, so you can only see a bit of it. And I got these boots. When I came here, one guy said, "Why don't you wear normal contact lenses? Your eyes look so scary." This is the hallway of the FVG Sport TV station. They have a lot of jerseys and...
Ciao.
Ciao.
Come va?
Good. I'm giving them a tour of your studio a little.
Oh, so come to see the control room.
Yeah?
Here is the control room.
This is the control room. So this is a local sports TV station in Udine.
This is the playlist.
Playlist.
The bridge.
This
the
is...
transmission. These are the cameras. Two of them are controlled.
Remote controlled. And this is what it looks like from the other side. this is the glamorous side. That's what you see on TV. I'm filming Enrico as he's filming the shooters. Hi Enrico! I was filming you when you were filming them. Like, you know how like in English pepperoni is a kind of meat? It's not a kind of meat in Italy. Pepperoni are red peppers, green peppers. Basically pepperoni means bell peppers. And then they have potatoes. And they have meat over there that they're gonna prepare for us. And basically they're just using, you know, olive oil, salt, and pepper. The cheese is really soft and good. Yeah, it's really soft inside and really good. I made a sandwich. I put like eggplant and meat inside. Like there was a piece of bacon and this meat. What do you call them? They're ribs, no?
Pancetta.
Pancetta? Oh, grazie. Lui è canadese.
Ah, sì?
Yeah. We got this sliced meat from those guys. They offered us some, but the food is for everyone, I guess.
Chin chin.
Chin chin, chin chin. Good?
Buono.
Molto buono.